Welcome to another Eldersburg Elementary Groovy Science Short. This is a simple activity that teaches us about electromagnetism. It also has a distant connection to Disney's animated movie Frozen. Stay tuned for that. This activity requires a nail, some fine insulated wire, and a AA battery. I'll place the battery in a battery holder with alligator clips for this demonstration. Start by wrapping the wire carefully around the nail like this. The more loops you make, the better. When you're done wrapping, strip or scrape the insulation off the ends of the wire. Connect one end of your wire to the negative side of the battery. Connect the other end to the positive side of the battery. You've just created an electromagnet. Let's explore the groovy science behind this experiment. Back in 1820, a Danish scientist named Hans Christian Ørsted discovered that electric currents create magnetic fields. In a straight piece of wire, the magnetic field swirls around the wire in a circle. When we wrap the wire into a coil, a strong magnetic field sweeps straight through the middle of the coil. Adding more coils makes the field stronger. Placing certain materials in the middle of the coil, like iron, amplify the effect. Ørsted's discovery was just the tip of the iceberg. Along came researchers like Michael Faraday, Joseph Henry, and James Clerk Maxwell. By the mid-1800s, the study of electrodynamics had led to many wonderful inventions like the telegraph, electric motor, and dynamo. Speaking of ice, what does Disney's Frozen have to do with this? Is Olaf held together by electromagnets? Maybe not. But we do know that the Danish scientist who discovered electromagnetism was friends with the author Hans Christian Andersen. If you recall, Andersen wrote the story The Snow Queen, and that story was the inspiration for Disney's 2013 movie Frozen.